Let's learn power of 4. 4 power 0 is equals 1. 4 power 1 is equals 4. 4 power 2 is equals 16. 4 power 3 is equals 64. 4 power 4 is equals 256. 4 power 5 is equals 1024. 4 power 6 is equals 4096. 4 power 7 is equals 16384. 4 power 8 is equals 65536. 4 power 9 is equals 262,144. 4 power 10 equals 1,048,576. Don't forget to like and share my video and subscribe to my channel Running City. Bye.